to another video. So we have some motorcycle updates, specifically for the Harley. Well, just motorcycle updates in general. Quick update on the Ducati. It's fucking awesome, right? The Harley. Long story short, me and my dad were going for a ride yesterday. The battery is fucked. It didn't hold its charge. We tried turning it on yesterday before we went for the ride. It didn't work. And then we gave it a jump. It worked. We got probably like halfway to our destination. Shut off. Couldn't turn it back on because the battery was dead. So, got another jump. Rode it back home very carefully, making sure it didn't shut off. Made it home, put them back, and yeah, so now I need to take the battery out of the Harley. If you remember, I actually did this before. This is going to be the second time we are putting a battery in the same year for the Harley. We just keep getting defective batteries. I don't know why. So I need to take out this battery. But that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm trying out a new GoPro angle because on the Harley I can have the GoPro on the helmet and it looks real nice, but that's because of the seating position. But if I have it in the same spot on the Ducati, all you're gonna see is the dash and the fork. It doesn't look good. You can't even see the road. So I tried out a new GoPro setup on the Ducati, so I hope you like it. We are back. We got the new battery and we picked up Dexter. He's here now. On the Harley now. We gotta put it on and then put it to charge. So let's put it on. Alright, we got Dexter, we got the battery, we got the Impala. Alright, yeah, he's gonna go over there while I put this battery on. And I gotta put it to charge. And I'm gonna put the camera down. It's gonna take a bit. What are you doing? Come here. What are you doing? You're gonna get yourself stuck under the trailer. Yeah, it's hot in here. I know. That's why I'm trying to hurry up. But you keep bumping into me. Nah, you're a good boy though. Alright, I got the battery on. I got Dexter huffing and puffing. Don't eat this. It's all plugged in. Now I gotta take the battery charger off the Impala and put it on the Harley in order to get this Harley starting, because we really need this to start. Now I gotta take this over to charge up this battery. Then let's hope we don't hit the Impala. Actually, I'm gonna put my phone down because this ladder is in the way, and if I'm really gonna end up hitting the Impala, and we don't want that. Yeah, so I'm not gonna unplug the Impala. I'm just gonna end up using this one to charge up the Harley because we need this to start today. I think it is gonna start. I'm pretty sure it's gonna start. The only thing is that we need to figure out is if when we ride it, the alternator, the generator actually charges the battery. Because motorcycles, like when you ride them or with cars too, like up to a certain RPM, the generator starts spinning and it charges the battery. That's why the more you use it, the longer it'll last. Right? That's why most of the time when bikes are sitting for a year or two, they will most likely not turn on the next time you turn it on. Luckily, surprisingly, the Harley actually did turn on when we first got it earlier this year. It actually did turn on after not being started for like 1-2 years. Keep in mind, this is an 89, but you know, we've had bad luck with batteries so many times before. Enough talking. Let's get this plugged in. Alright, quick little update. We got the Harley started. So now we're gonna go for a ride. And I think we're gonna go get some wings. Don't know where yet, but we're going for a ride.